In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your real-time location in Google Messages. Make sure that you are signed in with your Google account in Google Messages. The easiest way to know is by your profile icon in the top right corner, if that matches your Google account. Then what you want to do, open a text message that you want to send your live location on. Then what you need to do is find the plus button in the bottom left. And you can now see highlighted in green, real-time location. Tap on this. It will give you an option to send this for an hour, today only, or we can do custom duration. I'm going to hit an hour and then I'm going to hit the send button. It will ask you to accept the terms if this is your first time doing this. So send it again. And now I'm sharing my location until 7:32. And that's basically all there is to it.